Well, hello and welcome back. Looks like today we're doing puzzle 127. Let's start with this box here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 there. So 7, 5. If we do this box, looks like we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got a 1 here and a 2 here. So that's our 5. Don't see any other help. So 1, 2, 1, 2. If we look at this column, looks like we're missing 2, 6, and 7. Got a 6 here. So 2, 7. 6 here and a 7 here. So this is our 2, and that 7 means this is our 6. And that makes this our 7. For this column, looks like we're missing 3, 4, and 5. Got a 4 here. So 3, 5. 5 here and a 3 here. So this is our 4. That 5 means this is our 3, and this is our 5. To finish out this box, looks like we're missing a 2. For this box, looks like we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got a 3 and 9 here, so 8, a 3 here, so 9, 3. For this row then, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. For this row then, it looks like we're missing a 2 and an 8. We've got a 2 here, so 8, 2. And to finish out this box, looks like we're missing a 6. For this row, we're missing a 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 2. And that 2 makes this our 1, 2. If we look at this column then, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 and 7 here. So there's our 5. 6 here makes this our 7, 6. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 here and a 7 here. So 5, and that 9 makes this our 7, and our 9 goes here. For this box then, looks like we're missing a 1 and a 4. We've got a 4 here. So 1, 4. For this box, we're missing a 5 and a 7. We've got a 7 here. So 5, 7. If we look at this column now, we're missing a 1 and a 9. We've got a 1 here. So 9, 1. For this column, looks like we're missing a 2 and a 3. We've got a 2 here. So 3, 2. So for this box then, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got a 5 and 6 here. So 8, a 5 here. So 6, 5. And for this box then, it looks like we're missing a 1, 3, and 9. We've got 1 and 3 here. So 9, 1 here. So 3 and 1. And there we have today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.